Hi guys, I'm a 41-year-old female living in California, and today actually I'm gonna be reviewing this product. It's called Joint Movement Glucosamine. This one, yeah. And because I have searched the YouTube, I searched everywhere, I could not find any reviews on this product. I bought this from Costco while it was on sale for, I believe, $11. It goes from $11 to $18. I might be wrong. Don't get me all for that. But yeah, and excuse me for my accent and my English. Language is not my first language. Obviously, you can hear my strong accent. I'm originally from Armenia, and I live in California currently. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna explain you the flavor, give you like a um, go a few days and report back, see how my progress is going. Is this a snake juice or it's really working? So let's stick with me and let's find out if this is going to work or not. Right now, I'm going to give it a good shake. And just for the disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not anybody professional, like I'm just a human being, just giving it a try basically and seeing if this is gonna work. I'm not diagnosed with any like joint issues. I'm 41-year-old and I started feeling like pains here and there. My knees making me, popping and my lower back is aching. But I think it's pretty usual for this age and even higher, especially when you have a seated desk job, which it was my case. So here we go. Joint movement glucosamine extra strength with glucosamine of 2000 mg, chondroitin. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna mess up the names, but anyways, and it's nature's way. So let's read the directions first. So recommendations: shake well, take 2 tablespoons. It actually has a cap right there, so it says 2 tablespoons. Um, 2 tablespoons daily, either directly or mix into water or juice. Okay, daily. One, give it a good shake. And this one is berry flavored. Kind of smells nice. Let's try. I'm taking a guess it's going to be very, very sugary, which I'm a sugar monster. I don't mind sugary stuff. But here we go. This much. 2 spoons. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Okay. Okay, so it is salty. It has like a Tylenol type of flavor, salty but at the same time sugary. Not bad, tolerable totally. I don't see a problem taking this. Not pleasant, obviously. It's a little salty and sweet together, but definitely I could take that for a number of days and maybe let you know like in a week and then in 2 weeks and then in a month, see if there's any progress. Do I feel the same aches and pains? I don't expect the pains to go away, but it should kind of lubricate the joints and make you feel better. So as of now, I'm also getting morning like a little bit of run. I'm not a runner. I run a minute and then I walk fast and then I run another minute, and I'm more like into active sports like boxing and those type of things, but I haven't done that neither. So here, I'll report back in a week. I'm gonna take this daily and let you know of my results. Okay, take care. Bye for now.